Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, I told you in the morning the Nifty should not break 24,970 on the downside on a closing basis. And I also said, Nifty should not break the Friday's low on intraday basis, but actually it has broken, but just for few minutes. And then immediately the market shot up. And Nifty rallied more than 200 points from intraday's low. So although Nifty closes below 24,970, so that is considered as a bearish structure. But I was having doubt. In fact, on Friday it closed exactly around that place. Then, because of Reliance results, ICICI Bank results, HDFC Bank results, these three results, these three companies has about 27% weightage in Nifty. So I was a little bit reluctant. And on the other side, there was no increase in the India VIX and there was no bad global cues. So the three reasons I stated is that, one is that the global cues are good and US markets continue to make all-time high and many other markets are also trading at all-time high. So Indian market cannot keep on moving in the opposite direction for a long time. And second thing, the India VIX did not spike despite market falling. Every day the market was falling, Nifty has fallen about 700 points, but still India VIX did not go up. Look at the December options. Every day the call prices are coming down, but put prices has never gone up. And then the third one is that despite Nifty closing below 25,000 on Friday, the 25,000 put has had the highest open interest. So still people believe that, this is just a temporary blip because of Axis Bank result, TCS result and so on. The market may recover. So that is what exactly happened yesterday. So yesterday, though Nifty shot up 200 points from day's low, but there is nothing, no, we can say now the bearishness is gone. Okay. Now, once again, I am of the view that if Nifty closes below 24,970, positionally market is bearish. Right? In fact, when the Nifty crossed 23,200 on the higher side, the Nifty became long. And then after that, this is one of the longest period where the bull market sustains. Right? And the bullish signal sustains technically. Right? But yesterday, if you dissect the market, everybody expected Reliance to do well because they came out with the good results. But that Reliance stock has fallen like anything. So that Reliance alone contributed for more than 50 point fall in Nifty yesterday, right? Not 50 points, 70 points, 71 points. Just now I'm checking. So 71 point fall came in Nifty just because of Reliance. And equivalent number of points, same number of 70 points, HDFC Bank contributed on the higher side. So therefore, Reliance and HDFC Bank mutually cancelled each other. So leaving that, Nifty was about 120 point higher. But HDFC Bank, although it has contributed 72 point on the higher side, we must also remember that the same stock on Friday contributed for about 70 point fall in the Nifty. Although HDFC Bank moved about 40 point higher yesterday, actually on Friday it fell 40 point. The people expected bad result from HDFC Bank. The markets fell. So whatever it fell, only that it has recovered on Monday. So that is the story of HDFC Bank. Other than that, no, we can say after the results, if there is one stock that has done well, so that is only ICICI. After the results, TCS fell. After the results, Axis Bank fell. And after the results, Reliance fell. And after the results, HDFC Bank just recovered its one-day loss. Right? So it did not actually move higher than the Friday's high. So A significant move has come only from ICICI Bank. It moved higher on Friday also when the overall market was falling. It moved higher on Friday also. It moved higher on Monday also. So ICICI Bank is the lone supporter of bulls, I can say. The next big results, Infosys. Usually, other stocks will not make market more volatile. Infosys used to make. But this time, you know, two things. Number one, Infosys come with results very late. Usually, Infosys is the first company to say, declare results, or if not second or third in the beginning period. But never in the past, Infosys results came after ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Reliance, like that. They usually they come before that. So that is one thing. The second thing is that Infosys result is coming, after all the IT results have come, and 1 week later. So usually when the Infosys result come, so Infosys stock moves very big. But those days, about like 7-8 years before, I remember every quarter result it will move up or down 10%, 20% like that. But nowadays it's not that much volatile, but still, so this Wednesday evening the result comes. So Thursday going to be a bit difficult. So yesterday, although market shot up, okay, it was probably because of short covering. Otherwise, there is nothing very big in yesterday's up move. You look at the index wise yesterday, FMCG index was down 0.5%, IT index was down 0.3%, Pharma index down 0.27%, PSU bank index is down by 0.62%. Oil and gas, of course, that's because of Reliance, is down more than 1%. So Pharma down, PSU bank down, oil and gas down, IT down, FMCG down, okay. But just because of financial services, plus auto also. Now the inflation came at 6-year low, so naturally auto stocks will do well. Ever since the inflation data last Monday, auto stocks have been doing very, very well. Right? So, like in a nutshell, the bearishness is out, but at the same time, market is not very bullish. Now, again, it is going to be maybe until the end of this expiry, markets may be consolidating between 24,900 on the downside and 25,650 on the higher side. Why 24,900? Because that is the recent low. Why 25,650? That is the recent high. So the markets are likely to trade between these two numbers. Maybe who knows? Today and tomorrow, maybe it can have some kind of a positive bias because of global cues, and then on Thursday, Infosys results will decide. Then after that, Nestle results will decide FMCG stocks, and then after that, few more stocks. So not many important companies coming with results during the next 1 week, except Infosys. So maybe Maruti or some other stock is there. That is the next week. So I just keep monitoring only for the current week. So current week, the important stocks, it's only Infosys and Nestle. So the remaining may come next week. So I always say 5-week series with the corporate results tend to be more volatile. So we have seen 25,650 on the higher side. We have seen 24,900 breaking on the downside. Now, I will not be surprised if 25,650 is broken on the higher side. If, continuously some good corporate results come, and also the global cues. But globally also, I do not know why this US market is rallying every day. So we have to wait and watch. So, it's very important, the August 1. So by July 31st, we must get some idea Otherwise, the Trump says from August 1, so left, right, and center, the tariffs will increase. So that risk is there for the next 10 to 15 days. So let us see what happens. So one thing is good, technically Nifty has not broken down on a daily basis. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.